Using Google Adwords to create an ad campaign, Video 8. Hello again, Zach Johnson here, your host in this affiliate marketing training and video marketing course, and also special thanks to our sponsor, adcombo.com, for making this all possible. If you aren't already connected with an affiliate network, be sure to check out adcombo.com today. Now, in the previous videos, we've been walking through everything related to affiliate marketing, how to find an offer, create an affiliate account, even build out our own websites and look at different traffic sources. Now it's time to look at Google AdWords and how to create an ad campaign using paid promotion and marketing efforts. So what do we need to be looking at? We're going to be covering why you need to focus on Google as a paid traffic source, also how to create your first Google AdWords campaign, and at the end, we're going to recap everything that we walked through with Google AdWords and some of the key takeaways. So why should you consider Google AdWords? Well, every day, billions of people go to Google and start searching for things that they're looking for. This could be things they want to purchase, product reviews, general information, or simply things that they just might want to be looking up for reference. If you want to rank in Google, you can do it two ways. You can rank organically with your own website, but that's going to take a lot of time. And it also won't guarantee what you're going to rank for. However, if you have some advertising dollars to spend, you can actually pick the keywords and search terms that you want to rank for. It's basically on a pay per placement basis. You get to pay how much you want per click, and if you can compete against the top advertisers, Google will rank you based on your quality score, your website, what you're offering, and of course, the keywords you're ranking for and how much you're willing to pay. And all of this can be tracked on several levels deep because Google not only provides you with tracking, the affiliate network can also place a pixel as well, so you can see what keywords and traffic sources are converting best. Now, Google AdWords is not just about the search results. We can see right here, there's a lot of different ways to rank in Google and have your advertisements displayed. So let's say you went to Google and typed in weight loss pills, Garcinia, Cambogia. On the left side, you're going to see all the paid search rankings, and then you're going to see all the paid placements for advertisements as well. So there's paid advertising, and then there's organic search rankings. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the paid placement aspects. But Google isn't just about ranking in Google and paying for it on a keyword basis. They also offer advertising within the search advertisements, display advertisements, which can be banners, and they also do video ads, which can often be seen on YouTube, and they also have in-app advertising as well. So there's a lot of applications out there being used on mobile devices, and they're actually making money and monetizing through the use of Google AdWords, which means you can advertise through these applications by simply creating a Google AdWords campaign. So let's walk through the process of how to actually set up a Google AdWords campaign today. The first thing you're going to need to do is head over to Google AdWords and log into your account. From there, you can then click Create New Ad Campaign. You're going to first fill in your daily budget. That's going to be how much money you want to spend per day. The next thing we're going to have to do is do the target audience selection. So you can see you have the options for locations, networks, and keywords. This is going to break down to the different aspects of your ad campaign and who you want to specifically target. You can also set a bid for how much you want to pay per keyword, per click, and also you're going to write in the text ad of your campaign. We're going to break down each of these now. So the first thing we need to look at is your daily ad spend. This is how much money you are going to spend per day on your ad campaign. I always recommend people start with just a few dollars out when starting their first ad campaign because you don't want to blow through a ton of money quickly. Also, as you're getting new data coming in, you're going to be able to better understand how your campaign is going to perform. So in this example, you can see we put in $10 and Google is saying we're going to get roughly 95 clicks per day and 3,000 impressions. So that's a good enough way to get started. The next thing we're going to have to do is audience targeting. So what locations of the world do we want to currently advertise? Some affiliate offers are only going to be allowed in different countries, so this might come into play when setting up an ad campaign. For this example, we're going to go with United States and Canada. Then we're going to go to the Save button. Next, we have to choose what type of ad spots we want to actually appear in. This is going to appear under Networks. Search network, that is going to appear when someone goes to Google and searches for something. There's also the display network, and that might be anyone who's serving Google advertisements or Google AdSense on their websites. There's a big difference between the two, so make sure you set up your tracking properly so you know which is which. We can also then go to keywords. Keywords are extremely important because this is what people are going to be searching for when they see your ads. Again, going back to Garcinia as our main keyword, we can see people are searching for Garcinia weight loss, Garcinia weight loss pills, and Garcinia side effects. You can also see the search popularity for each of these as well. You'll also notice on the right side of the page, it's also updating our daily potential reach, which now says 17 plus clicks and 1K plus impressions. This number is actually probably going down because the amount that we were paying in our daily cost and the competition for the keywords we're going after. So next, we have to do the selecting of your bids. And this is going to affect all of the campaign click amounts and volume as well. So the option here is Google AdWords will automatically set your bids and help you get as many clicks as possible. Now this is a good option, but you also need to be tracking how much you're paying per click. This is going to make it so it's competitive with other advertisers going after these same keywords, which is also why it's important for you to manage your daily ad spend. As you can see, the next step in this process is to actually create the ad for your campaign. And here's one that they just give you as a default, where you type in the landing page. That would be your affiliate link or the affiliate landing page that you create or your website. You would also then need to create a headline, secondary headline, and a description. The more accurate this is, the more likely it will be that people will click on your links. And as you can see, I just filled this out real quick as an example to Garcinia weight loss secrets. Just throw in a test landing page for an example, headline 2, weight loss tips that work, and then a description that grabs the interest of your audience. And as you update this, you're actually going to see it appear in that ad preview on the top right section of the page. So once all of that is complete, it's then time for you to review all of your campaign details. To recap all this, we set a budget of $10 per day. Our location is targeting United States and Canada. Right now we were advertising on both the search network and the display network. The keywords we're going after are Garcinia weight loss and Garcinia side effects. We are allowing Google to adjust our pay-per-click rate, and once this campaign starts running, we're going to have a good idea of how much we're paying per click. And we can also see the ad that we created at the bottom of the page. If all of this looks good, you would then go to save and continue. Once your campaign is then live and approved from Google, you're going to be able to log into your account and see all of your statistics and data. And this is where you can really zone in and figure out the success of your campaign and what needs to be tweaked. You can see how much you're spending per day, how much you're making. If you have a tracking pixel in place, you can actually see the conversions. You can see what keywords you're getting a lot of displays for and which ones you're not. And you can add, edit, remove all other keywords as well. So you're going to want to really pay attention to what keywords are delivering the best results, and then remove any of the ones that you're spending money on, but they're not seeing any traffic or conversions. You can actually break down these campaigns even more by clicking on any of the campaigns, and it will then show you the keywords, cost per click, impressions, click-through rates, conversions, and much more. So once you're inside of your account after you actually go live with your campaign, you're going to learn a lot more about your campaign and how to actually make it better. So here's the Google AdWords takeaway. Google AdWords is simply one of the best ways to get high quality traffic to your website. When someone goes to Google and they search for something, they definitely want whatever it is they're searching for. So start with a low daily budget. You don't want to blow through your budget real quick. And when you start small, it's going to allow you to see what's working and what's not without having to invest a lot of money. You can also do split testing quite easily through Google AdWords. Create new ad campaign titles, new ad copy, new banners, and new traffic sources. That's going to be important because you're going to want to find out what's converting best and then stick with those areas. You also need to have conversion tracking in place. And this is very simple. All you have to do is create a pixel through Google AdWords and then place it onto your affiliate landing page. That way you're going to know which keywords are resulting in the most signups. And of course, you just want to keep on testing and keep split testing the process. Once you find success with Google AdWords and pay-per-click advertising, there's no reason why you can't replicate this process and do it with different affiliate offers. So I just talked about Google AdWords and how effective it is for creating new ad campaigns and delivering high quality traffic to your website, but that's not the only solution around. Facebook advertising is also one of the best. Not only do they allow for the same type of tracking and affiliate setup that Google AdWords does, they also have interest and demographic based targeting as well. So I'm going to be showing you what Facebook ads is in the next video, how to create your first ad campaign, setting up keyword audience targeting, and also pixel tracking. So stay tuned for that next video. And also, always be sure to follow us on social media. Check out my website at zachjohnson.com and also log into your adcombo.com account to see the latest affiliate offers today. See you guys in the next video.